Okay, hey, we come across a story that has really affected us, all of us here at the project, and tonight we would like to share it with you. Imagine having a baby and then finding out just afterwards that your baby has a life-threatening illness and that the only thing that can save him is way, way out of reach. Well, that's the story of 6-week-old Kaan, who is fighting an extremely rare bone disease. He's actually the only one in New Zealand that we know of that has it. The good news is his condition is treatable. Look at him, he's so cute. The bad news is the medicine he needs isn't registered in New Zealand, it's definitely not funded. So his parents tell us it'll cost $100,000 to import the drug, and that's every year. His mother Tracy says that doctors are in touch with overseas experts. They're trying to source these drugs at the moment, but it's a real waiting game, and that's a game they can't afford to play given that Kaan has been given just months to live. Well, Tracy and her husband Matt and baby Kaan too, I see, join us now from their home in Kawerau. He's a beautiful baby boy. Tracy, how's he doing?
He's good, he's good. He's like the typical baby. Like, you wouldn't even know that he's not well, like, if you didn't know. He's very happy now. He's like just learning to talk, baby talk and smile, so.
So tell us how the last few weeks have been for the three of you.
Stressful.
Very, very stressful. All these unanswered questions, just the not knowing. It definitely has been very stressful.
Finding out your baby has this rare disease must have come as hell of a shock.
Oh, it was. I was like, because I got flown up to Starship, and that day, that's when they told me, like, you know, he's got the infantile part of it, and like, if he doesn't get treatment, like, you know, 4 to 6 months, he's probably not going to make it, you know. Like, I was there by myself, like, Matt was still coming up via the car. I was just devastated, like, I just cried. I don't think I've cried so much. It was really, really hard to take it.
Matt, if you don't get this $100,000 that you're trying to raise, what are your options?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Just, we're going to do everything we can. Like, I won't stop until I know he's going to get this treatment. Like, we will do everything we can. And like, our Give Little page, like, from everybody, it's just so overwhelming, like, how far we're halfway there to 100 grand just within like 9 days.
Yeah.
And if you reach the target and manage to get hold of this drug, what sort of difference could it make?
Normal life.
If he gets this medication, he will live a normal life.
Holy moly. And Matt, for someone who hasn't donated yet, what sort of difference could a donation make for you guys?
I don't know how to answer that. I mean, it's, yeah, a life, a baby boy.
His life's only just begun. We don't want it to end now. He's got like the whole life ahead of him.
Well, Matt and Tracy and baby Kaan, it's been really beautiful to meet you all, and we wish you the best of luck.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's really encouraging that they've raised plenty of money so far. They said, I think, halfway to that goal. And so we've put a link on our Facebook page. So if you were moved by that story, you can go to our Facebook page now and make a donation. The other thing I'd say is that they're in a pretty complicated position. So this drug does exist, but it's not registered here in New Zealand. And they're going to need a bit of expertise sort of navigating how to get that drug from there's people using it in Australia, for example, but how do you get it into New Zealand and navigate that? And I just wondered if there's someone who's been through that sort of thing themselves, who's advocated in that sort of situation, or who has some experience that they think could help that couple, that family. Do please get in touch with us at the project as well, and we'd love to get you together and make sure that money goes to the right place.
Absolutely.